The world's climate is changing and dramatically affecting habitats and biodiversity all over the planet. The Arctic region, which is mostly covered by snow, ice, and boreal forests, is home to an abundance of plants, animals, and human beings. So, how would these living organisms be affected by a slight increase in temperature? Many Arctic animals, such as polar bears, seals, walruses, and seabirds, depend on the presence of sea ice, which is currently being depleted. Polar ice caps are melting at a rapid pace from the heat of the sun, which is resulting in higher sea levels. Complete loss of summer ice cover, which could occur this century, would threaten the existence of many species. For example, polar bears need sea ice to give birth on, hunt on, and also travel from region to region. Less ice would leave them with less hunting ground and possibly force them to adopt to a new summer lifestyle on land, which could increase the competition for other bears. In addition to the threat of extinction for several species, climate change increases the risk of disease, increases precipitation, and expands the geographic spread of species ranges, which results in more competition for food. Global warming not only poses threats for biodiversity in the Arctic region, but also to human beings. Aside from rising sea levels, changing coastlines, and slowly causing people to move closer inland, the increasingly hot sun is causing more sunburns and rashes that haven't been seen before in the past. Also, indigenous Arctic communities now feel like strangers in their own land because their surroundings are changing rapidly. So what is causing this global issue?
The climate temperature has risen because of the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is when the sun rays come down to Earth and reflect off the glaciers, and then they go back up. Well, then they shoot right back down because there's so much carbon up in this atmosphere that they're not able to release and go back up into space. So then, when that happens, the Earth rises in temperature, and then all the plants and animals habitats are melted away, and then you end up with pictures like this.